how to download and install stable diffusion. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So I will be providing this link in the description. Just simply open it up. After that, scroll down, and over here you would be able to find the section called installation and running. And here, in case if you have NVIDIA's graphic card, simply click on NVIDIA. After that, wait for it to load, then click on this option of here in order to get the zip file, and after that wait for it to load. And over here you would be able to get this a file of st.webui.zip. Simply get it, and after that install it, extract it on your device wherever you want it, like in C drive or any other drive of your choice. And after installing it and running it, you would be able to use it. And this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.